Welcome to Excel Logic Pro, where you will learn different functions and formulas. Today I will teach you how to use HLOOKUP formula in Excel. If you remember the last period or last tutorial, I taught you how to find or how to use vlookup formula in different functions. But today I will teach you how to use HLOOKUP. HLOOKUP formula is used to retrieve column-wise data. HLOOKUP means horizontal lookup. You look up val based in horizontal data. Horizontal means within the column, not within the row. So HLOOKUP makes the Excel search for a certain value in row, so-called table array, in order to retrieve the value from different rows in the same column. So HLOOKUP works within the column, different rows within the column. So you look up downward, horizontal, or within the column. Within the same column, you look up different rows within the same column. So what is the difference between vlookup and the HLOOKUP? Vlookup means vertical column, which is used to retrieve column-wise data, while HLOOKUP means horizontal lookup. So HLOOKUP means you look for the horizontal data downward. HLOOKUP means horizontal lookup is used to retrieve row-wise data. So let us see how to use HLOOKUP formula. For example, I have this data. I have the number 1, number 2 up to number 10, and I want to vlookup the data in column 1, the data in column B, in column 2, column 3, column 4 up to column 10. Yes, I want to see biscuit in column 1, bananas in column 1, juice in column 1, cow in column 1, goat in column 1, chicken in column 1, and so on. So I can select maybe this item. I want to look this item from column 1, or I want to get the value of this item in column 1, also in column 2, column 3 up to column 10. For example, when I look up, maybe I want to get the value of the item in column 1, this one. So this is the value of items in column 1, as you see this one, as you see now. But I can look up for the values of item in column 2. As you can see, this is the value of item in column C, in column B, in column 2, this one. Yes, column 4, so column 3, this one. As you can see, column 5, these are data in column 5, this one. Maybe column 10, let us see column 10, this. So simply you can have many columns or many data, but you want to retrieve only a certain data or item in a certain column. So this is how you can use HLOOKUP formula. Means you retrieve the data in row wise, means downward within the same column but different rows. Yes, so how to do? Start the formula that equal to HLOOKUP. I want to look up this number, comma, from this range. The number, this number 10 from this range, this one. Then, comma. I want to look this number in range, how many? For example, this is biscuit, so this is a row number 1, number 2, so it is in row number 2, so comma 2. So biscuit is in row number 2, so 1, 2, it is row number 2 from this number 1. Then close by dollar sign. Okay. Now drag so as to get data in other rows. For this one, banana, it is row number 3 from number 1. 1, 2, 3. It is number 3. Where juice is in row number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Juice is row number 4. Also, this one is row number 5. This one is row number 6. This one is row number 7. Yes. So now you can change this one. I want to retrieve data in column 1 of the item or the values in column 1. This one, as you can see, yes, this is the data in column 1. As you can see, is the same. Data in column 2. This one, the data in column 2, as you can see, this one. Let's see data in column 3. This one. Data may be in column 5. This one, data in column 5. Data in column 9. This one is the data in column 9, as you can see. Data in column 10. As you can see, data in column 10 is this one. Okay, so this is how you can use HLOOKUP formula. So HLOOKUP formula is equal as the vlookup formula, but the difference is that vlookup means vertical lookup, while HLOOKUP means horizontal lookup. So horizontal lookup retrieve the value from different rows in the same column, while vlookup retrieve val from different columns in the same row. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe in order to get more different videos. See you in the next video. Thank you.